Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to use fast and slow in a sentence. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
To say I walk fast in Sepedi is ke sepela ka lebelo.
Calibelo.
And to say I walk slowly in Sepedi is ke sepela ganyane.
Ganyane.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say ke sepela ka lebelo, the ke sepela means I walk. The ka means with, and lebelo means speed. So we're actually saying I walk with speed. Look at this example. To say I run fast in Sepedi, we say ke kitima ka lebelo.
Calibelo.
To say I run slowly in Sepedi is ke kitima ganyane.
Ganyane.
Let me explain some more. We now know that in the sentence ke kitima ka lebelo, the ka lebelo means with speed. But when we say ke kitima ganyane, the ganyane means something like in a slow way. So to say I eat fast in Sepedi is ke ja ka lebelo.
Calibelo.
And to say I eat slowly in Sepedi is ke ja ganyane.
Ganyane.
You see how easy it is? And now you can use fast and slow in a sentence. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Shalachabotse.